connected this pad. Here we can use the analog pad from this controller. This is like PlayStation type, it's just adapter to the Amiga. And this feels so much better. Of course it's not analog, but it almost feels like analog, because this is, you know, going round without this, you know, clicking normal type Amiga joystick. So this made me happy, because it feels really nice with this playing with this controller. That made me happy. I think now I'm enjoying the game with this controller. It feels much better to me. Okay guys, thanks for the great game. I think I like it a lot now.